just finished working up 4 different loads for the 6.5 PRC that we're going to be trying out. I love including my son in on this to kind of teach him how to do it. My dad taught me, and I hope that he will continue to do the same thing as well. So we have 4 different charges, 4 different powder charges to see what this gun likes, and hopefully we get something on the higher velocity side. I want to push this bullet a little bit more because it is a 150 grain bullet, but I don't want to sacrifice too much accuracy for that. So I want to find something that's going to fit right. When it comes to seating depth, I'm just seating the bullet enough to where it fits in the magazine that I'm going to be using on the Springfield Waypoint. It's got a 3-round, I think it's a 3-round or 4-round mag that I'll be utilizing. I don't really want to operate single shot. I know there's guys that have been doing that. That way they can get that bullet as long as possible and just barely seated in there. But I'm not interested in doing that for hunting reasons. I like to have the option to have a really quick follow-up shot if I need one. So that's what I'm doing. So the accuracy I'm hoping to get, I hope I can find it with one of these powder charges. I'm using H1000, which is I have a lot of because I also use that same powder for my 300 Win mag. I like that I can do that with this round, and so I'm looking forward to. I hope I find something that'll be really good for it. So I'll show you the results and what I'm getting feet per second and what groups I like the best. I reloaded again 4 different powder charges, 6 shots for each powder charge, so hopefully that'll give me enough data to be able to be like, hey, that's the one right there. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So the following video that I'll post after this one will be my results and what I found.